Nonprofits spend a lot of time in determining which is the donor who is most likely to donate. Now, AgentForce can help them to quickly identify the donor who are most likely to give. To do that, the NPC cloud, the nonprofit cloud, provides out-of-box RFM scores. Now, these scores can be enabled by using a data process engine, and this data process engine has to be done using a flow. So just to make sure that you get an RFM score for a particular account, you have to run the DPE, the data process engine. Once that is done, as a Salesforce administrator, you're going to make use of Prediction Builder. Now, Prediction Builder is going to predict, based on the RFM score, what is the likelihood of a donor going to give. Now, that is being stored in a custom field by name likelihood to donate. So, just to reiterate, NPC Cloud provides RFM score. RFM score has to be enabled using DPE. Once that is enabled using a Prediction Builder, we are going to predict how likely a donor is likely to give. Now, once all of this is done, using AgentForce, we can ask to provide the donors who are most likely to give. Now, let me just click on the AgentForce. So I'm going to ask AgentForce, give me the top donors likelihood to give. And I'm just giving a threshold value also 75%. Now, AgentForce is going to look into the topic that we have created. And based on the topic, there are certain Copilot actions, which I'm going to show you. It's going to provide those accounts. And then once it has given us those accounts, it is also telling us, like, there are 3 accounts and these are the RFM scores and this is the likelihood to donate. Now, it's also asked us a follow-up action. Would you like it to add to a campaign? So I've got this particular campaign, capital campaign. In the related, if you look over here, there is no campaign member as of now. So I will say, yes, add the donors to capital campaign as campaign member. So as an AgentForce, it is going to look at the request and then going to fire another Copilot action, which is going to add the donors. Now let me just refresh the screen to see the campaign members have been added to this capital campaign or not. So all the 3 members have been added over here. Okay. Now how this has been done is using AgentForce. So if I show you the agent builder. So this is the topic that we are using, where we are saying that your job is to look at the RFM score and then add the campaign members to a particular campaign. And for this, we are using 2 custom Copilot actions. The first one is to get the likely score. And the second one is to add the donors. So these are the 2 flows, the auto launch flow, which have been added to the topic. Now, if I look at the flows, this is the flow which tells what is the likelihood of a particular donor to donate. And this is making use of the prediction builder and returning the score to us. So once we get the donors from here, as a follow-up action, we have another one where we are saying whatever are the donors which are returned, they need to be added to a particular campaign as a campaign member. For that, the second flow is being used, where we loop through each and every donor and then add it to the campaign member. So using combination of AgentForce, Prediction Builder, and the RFM score, we are able to determine which particular donor is most likely to donate.